The house decoration is great, and it has a very homely feel. The butler is also very patient, and the service attitude is excellent. They have been very helpful, highly recommended, and I will come again. Hangout. With a very nice host and maid. The home location is at downtown center and easy to find a red car. All facilities in home are good. Most recommended at Niman area. The place was very large and a great location. We had a great time and the host was very nice. We hope to visit again. Thank you. We are a group of 7, visiting Chiang Mai for a short trip. During the check-in, Emmy and her team are able to communicate in both English and Chinese. They are extremely helpful as well. Besides that, they also provide snacks and fruits for us to enjoy throughout the stay. The room is wide and clean, with dryer and washer available for usage. The owner very kind and nice. The location is near HomeBerry Garden and Restaurant. The facility ready to use. It's quite expensive but you will get the best atmosphere in this place. Recommends. 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. 2 bedrooms has their own private bathroom. All bathrooms here are nice decoration and big size. Japanese toilet and jacuzzi bathtub. If you a person who like to spend time in bathroom, this is the right place for you. Most of bedrooms has no windows. Living room and balcony was nice. No parking lot, only 1 car can park at front of house. Refrigerator was full with. There are so many rooms which can receive a big family. I especially like the sitting room and the balcony. The worker is a good girl who polite and warm. Emmy, HomeBerry crazy noodles. HomeBerry.